Welcome back everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a beautiful Christmas themed photo edit. First, I open the background editor and choose a snowy winter's background. Next, I place my main photo in the center and adjust its size and position for a perfect fit. Then I add Christmas decoration like Santa Claus gift boxes and festive elements to make the design more attractive. After that, I fine tune the brightness, contrast, and colors to give the image a clean and professional look. Finally, I save the project in high quality. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, do not forget to like, share, and